So you need to point your browser to screencast-o-matic.com, and your screen should look like this. When you get there, you need to click on Start Recording. And up at the top here, you'll have a box. You may have a box that says External Protocol Request. You can click Launch Application. And this should download a little program, and you may have to start it once it downloads. So it says Recorder Launched. And it should show up like this. And you may have to adjust your screen. This is what this little window, or these broken lines, you can adjust this to take up however much screen you want to record at one time. So I could actually take in both screens. I have two monitors here, but I'm just going to go down to the bottom here, and then we're going to set this. Your max time is 15 minutes on this program. You don't have to worry about the size, just keep the size the same. Well, you can record it in 720 if you would like. Make sure that the microphone is working. When you talk in the microphone, it should show up on this little graph here. If it's not showing any kind of green lines, that means your microphone's not working. So you can adjust it. Make sure your wires are plugged into the adapter that's plugged into the USB port. And then also you may have a little volume control on the wire. And if not, we can try to find another set of headphones, an adapter. So after you have all this set up, you've set the area you want to record. You can click the record button when you're ready to talk and narrate. So click the record button. It'll start counting down. It gives you 3 seconds. And now I'm recording. Whatever I do on the screen, it will record. So it'll show me typing into Excel, shows my cursor moving around, show all kinds of things. When you're done recording and narrating, click the pause button. And you want to click Done. And you want to click Save as Video File. You want to save it as an MP4 file. So please check MP4. File name. Let's change that to Excel Lesson 12, and then name it whatever step-by-steps you're doing. You know, if you're going to include more than one step-by-step in this little video, you can create your own name, as long as I know and understand what you're doing. So I'm going to call it Move a Chart. That's the name I'm going to give mine, because that's one of the step-by-steps in Lesson 12. So you click Enter. The folder, you want to save it in your student folder. So I need to know whose folder you're saving it to so I can go back and find it, because I will be downloading these and putting them onto Canvas. The cursor, you can highlight your cursor if you want to. You can click no cursor, just cursor, but it's always by default as highlight cursor. Captions, you can add a caption. Click Publish. If you already have saved one already, you can click Override. And now you can either play the video or browse it in the folder. And please play the video. Make sure it has recorded the sound. Make sure it's easy to follow. And then you can hit Done, and it'll go away and you can go find the file. And that's all there is to it.